Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to see your email and password on PlayStation 5. To see your email and password on PlayStation 5, you can follow the simple steps. Now first thing first, log in, and when you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, you could find this gear icon in the top right hand side corner. Press on that. As you click on it, you'll be taken to the next field where you could actually go ahead and press on users and where you could actually go ahead and press on the gear icon. Next thing you could do is click on accounts. As you click on account here, you need to go ahead and click on sign in ID. Once you do that, you could find out the email address that's associated with your account. Likewise, if you want to go ahead and change it, you could do that as well by removing the ones and clicking on the confirm button and all that. Now similarly, to see your password, you could go to security. This is not an easy way to see your password, but then you could find the option as password where you could go ahead and change it, but then you cannot see it. To change your password, you also need to go ahead and enter in your current password. So this way you'll be able to see your email address and password on PlayStation 5. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next